Hello and welcome. This is Austin for the DevC training. Today we're going to be looking at alternatives to your downloading the Postgres, the PG4. Most of us are complaining that they cannot download the PG4, and even if they can download it, cannot work. So there's an alternative to that. It is known as Elephantsql. So quickly type Elephantsql.com on your browser so that you can get to this website. So once you get to this website, you have to sign up. I already signed up and I use my GitHub account. You can also do the same thing. If you click on sign up, now I'm clicking on this login. So I'm going to be able to use my GitHub account and login. But in case you're for the first time, you can also click login. But instead of creating a new account, use your GitHub. Use GitHub to log in. So you can see it has just opened. And here is sign in with GitHub. So that's what I'm going to use. If you also have Google account, Gmail, you can also sign in with it. For me, I'm signing in with my GitHub account so that I don't have to be, having different accounts and everything on my head. So I'm going to click the first one, my email. This is my email with my original email, whereas this is the email that GitHub automatically creates. Then I'll click on login. So I'm going to teach us how to create a database in so it has opened. You can see here I have Wayfarer. This is for my Wayfarer, the one I used for bootcamp with Andela. These are Appraiser and Reflect. These are some of the databases that I've created earlier. So now if you want to create a new database for our project teamwork, so I'm going to click here. You can see here create new instance. That's what they call database here, instance. So once I click on create new instance, I'm going to see a couple of options. Name, what is the name? So I'm going to simply name it teamwork. Plan, I'm going to leave the plan as this tiny turtle because that's the free one and we are using a free version. Tags, under tags, you can leave it open or you can type in something. Then I will now click on select region. That's the next thing. So very, very importantly, if you do this, it's going to solve a whole lot of problems for you. So which region am I taking? I'm going to leave this region that is here. You can also click on this to see other regions. Okay, let me check and see whether I can see Africa. If I can see Africa, I'll pick Africa. If I cannot, then I'll leave it at what it was. I don't know why they are not having Africa. Are we not part of the world? Okay. I can't actually see Africa, so I'm going to leave it at US East, North Virginia, the way it was. Data center, I'm going to also leave it like that. So I'm clicking on review. Okay, so these are ElephantsDB, just like Postgres in the cloud, just the way we have Atlas, MongoDB Atlas, that is MongoDB in the cloud. So it makes connection and everything very easy. So you can see summary, teamwork, Amazon Web Service, AWS, that's the provider, just the way you have it in Atlas. So I'm going to now click on create instance. So once I click on create instance, my instance database is going to be up. So I have teamwork now in my Elephantsql.com, which is Postgres in the cloud. You can see instance successfully created. You can see it here, teamwork. So that is what I have. So I'll go here on teamwork, click on it so that I can copy the connection string. So with that connection string, that's what I will now use as my URL for my database in the Mongo connection. So you can see the URL. So once you click on this I, it will open very well. So you now copy this very URL. That's what you put as your database URL. And with that, it will work perfectly. So we're going to be stopping here. In subsequent classes, we're going to be showing you how you can paste this in your connection so that you can have what you want. Thank you and God bless.